page 266, number 47. Convert the angle measure from degrees to radians, and we're given an angle measure of 115 degrees. Well, we have to remember one fact here. The fact we have to remember is that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. If we remember that fact, we can do all these conversion problems. Now, since these two quantities are equal, let's think of a couple different fractions here. 180 degrees over pi radians is equal to 1. Likewise, pi radians over 180 degrees is also equal to 1. These are equal to 1 because both quantities are equal. We have something over an equal quantity that's equal to 1. Now, we know that we can multiply anything by 1 without changing the quantity itself. So that means I can take this angle, 115 degrees, multiply by one of these fractions, and I will get a equivalent angle. So I'm going to pick one of these to multiply by. Which one should we choose? Well, what we want is we want the degree sign to cancel out. If I multiply by this top one, I'll have degrees times degrees, that won't cancel. If I multiply by this bottom one, let's do that. So times pi over 180 degrees. The degrees will cancel out. That's perfect. That's what we want to happen. So if I do that multiplication, degrees will cancel. I end up with 115 times pi over 180. Now there's my answer. I can reduce this fraction if I divide, let's see here. Let's divide top and bottom by 5 to start. If I do that, I'll get 23 pi on top. If I divide by 5 on the bottom, I'll get, let's see, what is that? That's going to give me, I believe, 36. And I think that's as far as we can reduce that. So 115 degrees is equivalent to 23 pi over 36 radians.